Hello friends, welcome to this course. Before I introduce the next module which is about soft skills and professional skills, I would like to ask some questions. Have you ever wondered why somebody in this life is more successful than you? If you are a student, have you ever thought that despite of your best efforts that somebody else get the best job? Did you ever think about it? Well, some people may say this is luck, but do you really believe this? Actually, that somebody is good in communication skills or have a good personality which makes him or her superior. So let's talk about these skills. Our next module is about soft skills and professional skills. Hard or technical skills help securing a basic position in one's life and career, but only soft skills can ensure a person retain it, climb further, achieve excellence, and derive fulfillment and supreme joy. Soft skills comprises pleasant and appealing personality traits as self-confidence, positive attitude, emotional intelligence, social grace, flexibility, and effective communication skills. Or simply, we can say soft skills tells us which tendency we actually are. These skills can include our ability to talk, behavior, and courtesy. Soft skills include leadership skills, ability to work in teams, adaptability, decision making, and interpersonal communication. Soft skills can incorporate decent behaviors, correspondence capacities, language abilities, individual propensities, intellectual or passionate compassion, time the executives, collaboration, and initiative qualities. Adhering to the correct ethics at workplace is very important as it has a bearing on your interaction with your co-workers and visitors as well as your total personality. Quite often, we either waste time or create misunderstanding or even give an unfavorable impression about ourselves. Behaving in a professional way at workplace goes a long way in ensuring our peace of mind as well as professional approach to the work. Professional skills include continuous learning, collaboration, negotiation, project management, communication, product management, problem solving, and program management. These skills create a positive environment which enables a person to obtain a desired job when he or she seeks a career opportunity. An individual's professional skills are extremely important in the business world. The way that someone cooperates with us, handles their workload, and act around their office can determine their success or failure as an employee. Unit 2.2 Importance of Soft Skills and Professional Skills. Soft skills allow us to effectively and efficiently use our technical skills and knowledge. They improve, they improve the way we interact with others like our boss, co-workers, and customers. They permit us to get our work done on time. They influence how we feel about our job and how the other perceives us. Technical skills are no longer sufficient as employers seek employees who can fill an increasing number of interdependent jobs. So the soft skills and professional skills plays an important role in today's life. Soft skills and professional skills can be included interest in our work, planning and organization, setting our goals, ability, creativity, problem solving, and many more. These skills can be divided into three categories: life skills, affective skills, and employability skills. Let's talk about life skills first. Life skills includes personal hygiene, personality development, body language, etc. As the name indicates, any skill that useful in our life can be considered a life skill. There are essential life skills we need to help maintain a healthy body and mind. The second important area of soft skills and professional skill is affective skills. Affective skills include self-confidence, abilities, teamwork, time management, critical thinking, creative problem solving, and decision making. While students understand hard work to get good grades, many still struggle to gain employment. Employers are looking not just for academic success, but the key employability skills include resume writing, effective communication, basic language skills, group discussion, job knowledge, quality work production, etc.